Friends, the markets in the United States are on fire. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have just broken historical records, and it's not because the economy is perfect, it's due to the famous FOMO. Yes, the fear of missing out is moving trillions of dollars. And the big question is, are we in the middle of a bubble or witnessing the start of a new economic era? Look, what's happening is everyone on Wall Street talking. FOMO is that psychological push to enter the market because everyone is winning and you don't want to be the only one left watching from the outside. We've seen this before. The dot-com bubble in the 2000s, the crypto craze in 2020, and now history is repeating itself with artificial intelligence. So what's driving this rally? First, the craze for AI. Companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google are being seen as the engines of the next technological revolution. Second, the Federal Reserve is signaling that it will lower interest rates soon, which means cheaper money to invest. Third, even emerging markets are showing strength, boosting global confidence. And fourth, companies are securing credit cheaper than ever, allowing them to grow even more. But beware, not everything shines. There are significant risks. The markets are already acting as if everything is going to turn out perfectly, and we all know that almost never happens. If inflation or employment data changes, the Fed may halt those rate cuts. Moreover, if artificial intelligence doesn't deliver as expected, the disappointment could be brutal. Add to that the tensions in the Middle East, the upcoming elections in the United States, and trade wars, and we have a pretty explosive cocktail. So what could happen? There are three possible paths. The optimistic, AI truly revolutionizes everything. Rates drop, and we continue in a growth party. The moderate, a correction of 10 or 15% comes, nothing serious, and the market recovers. The pessimistic, this is a bubble, and when it bursts, it will remind us of the crisis of 2000. So the question is, how much longer can this party last? Because yes, it seems endless now, but in the markets, everything that goes up at some point corrects. What do you think? Are we in a bubble or facing the economic opportunity of our generation? Leave in the comments, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep talking about economics, finance, and what's happening on Wall Street.